Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to loosen tight shoes. You know what it's like? Rolling over a pair of expensive shoes that seem just too perfect and saving for them for months. You can't stop doing your happy dance when you see an amazing deal on them online and without wasting much time, you order them. The day comes for the shoes to be delivered and you feel no less than Carrie Bradshaw, ready to own the streets of New York all over again. But to your dismay, the shoes turn out to be ridiculously tight and too painful to walk in. You still try to strut around in your house, hoping that they will loosen up by themselves, but sadly no luck. Don't worry, it's not doomsday just yet. You can still manage to break in those new pumps without causing blister on your feet. If you are the latest victim of tight shoes, learn how to stretch shoes that are too tight by yourself using these 4 quick hacks. Home remedy number 1, heat. Remember your science class where you learned that heat causes things to expand. Applying some heat with a hair dryer on leather or suede shoes will help expand the material and loosen the shoe to get the right fit. Put on some thick socks, slip on your tight shoes, heat up the shoes with a hair dryer, remove the socks and try on the shoes. They should now be comfortable to get in. If you need to loosen tight further, repeat the heating process. Home remedy number 2, freezing method. Another quick hack to break in tight shoes is by putting a bag of water inside them and freeze it. Fill 2 large Ziploc bags with enough water. Squeeze out all the air and seal the bags. Place the bags of water inside your shoes. Put the shoes in the freezer for 4 to 8 hours so the water freezes. Remove the ice bags and check the fit. If needed, repeat the process to stretch them further to your liking. Home remedy number 3, rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol works best on natural fabrics. You can use the rubbing alcohol later to clean other stuff as well. Since it's easiest to spray the rubbing alcohol on your shoes, pour some into a spray bottle. Spray rubbing alcohol on the tight areas and walk around in your shoes. Your shoes will be successfully stretched for a better fit to your feet. Home remedy number 4, professional stretching tools. Shoe stretchers come in different variants for flat, high heels, boots and other specific types of footwear. Spray the stretching spray on the tighter area of your shoes. Spray it on both the inside and outside. Insert the shoe straightener and turn the knob to widen your shoes. Once you are done, try on the shoes to check the fit. Wearing shoes that are too tight for too long can also give way to bunion, corns and calluses, which can turn walking into a painful task. If you are the latest victim of tight shoes, learn how to stretch shoes that are too tight by yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.